Hello, I'm Irwan Kriel. I currently reside in Pretoria in South Africa. After school, I have I've worked at a auto electrical shop where I learned most basic auto electrical work. I grew up on a farm. My father planted some maize um, and vegetables and lucerne. Um, After the auto electrical shop, I have more or less 8 years experience in citrus farming, from irrigation to planting, soil preparation, fertilizing, and the spraying of the crops until harvesting. I managed a herd of around about 80 Brahman cattle, um, but most basic. They grazed in the open field, and then we planted about 260 hectares of maize and wheat and some white beans and soya beans. I have some experience in the soil preparation, the planting, the watering. Everything were planted under pivot irrigation, from the harvesting and the spraying of the crops. And I have about 4 years experience in vegetable farming, from soil preparation, with the spraying, with the fertilizer, and the harvesting, and in the pack shed, packing for Woolworths and some international markets. Thank you.